Alright, today we're working on a Volkswagen bora. Yeah. I've been building this car for like about 4 years. Engines built over, everything forged inside. New timing belts, do over fuel line, management system. Yeah. Big turbo, crash bar, power supply, we got this thing. Trying to make it like about 400 horsepower. Get that? It's good. Yeah, but today what we're going to do is we're going to take out the gearbox because it got a leak underneath there. It's leaking between the engine and gearbox. For it to be leaking there, most likely will be the rear engine seal. Yeah, so that's the job right now. That's the job. New seal back inside. Yeah. So the whole gearbox came out to change the seal.
What do you say?
The engine seal. No, I'm making a video. Yeah.